Besides the stunning beauty of the home itself, the detail to most likely catch your eye next is the manicured landscaping. Stretching from the start of the driveway to the backyard, this attention-grabbing scene was professionally crafted by Katrina's Gardens. Believe it or not, this is all low maintenance. Everything has been planted with a purpose. The slow-growing, colorful shrubs in the front are close together, so there is minimal weeding and the soil stays moist. A gardening group currently comes only twice per year, once in the spring and once in the fall. There's little to do in summer except sit and enjoy the gardens. Kids will love to plant and harvest any type of produce in the enclosed vegetable garden. There are many black walnut trees surrounding the property, planted by the original owners of the land, dating back to the late 1800s. The current owners were offered a free driveway in exchange for one black walnut tree. Black walnut trees are highly sought after and well known for a beautiful wood used in furniture, fireplace mantles, flooring, and more.